A golfer's handy resource, tips you should consider. Golfers like Tiger Woods have propelled the sport into the mainstream. Making millions of dollars and achieving global fame, Woods is certainly the exception rather than the rule. But the fact that a pro golfer is a potentially successful career move, is a huge draw for golf. Whether you're trying to go pro or simply want to improve your amateur game, here are some tips you can use. Stretch before you swing a golf club. When you golf, your body remains stationary during the swing, while you make other movements with your arms, wrist, etc. This is important to know so that you prepare your body for the game through stretching and strength building. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you are gripping the club correctly. This is incredibly important because it is one of the easiest problems to fix, if your shot is suffering. Make sure that you match up your grip on the club with how your hands hang naturally at your side. Remember that your grip on your golf club has a simple, direct impact on the way your ball flies. A grip that is too tight sends your ball off course to the right. If your grip is too loose, expect to see your ball heading left. Fine-tune your grip pressure to get exactly the results you desire. Good golfers never forget that the perfect golf swing is a full body motion. The hips and legs need to work in concert with the arms to maximize power and maintain accuracy. At the same time that the arms bring the club down, the hips should be swiveling, and once the shot is made, the legs should pivot for full follow-through. As stated in the opening, it doesn't matter if you're looking to take your game out on tour or simply out to the driving range. If you want to blow off some steam and enjoy an afternoon of golf, the tips you've read in the video above will help you perfect your game. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.